Welcome to Xander's Mukbang.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're having pizza mukbang because there's 2 pizzas on my plate, and then I'll give you a water, but it's empty.
Again. What? Start mo na.
Let's start. Oh,
I made this pizza.
I made this pizza.
Yummy. So yummy.
Yummy, so
Alam mo,
yummy.
cold water. Cold.
Very cool.
Paano yung hindi cold? Legit mo na hindi cold.
Water first,
Bakit
then
mo
this.
pizza? Tada!
Then this is a
With
pizza.
bacon mix.
Yum, yum.
Yummy.
Very yummy.
The cheese melt.
Why do you love pizza? Because?
Because their taste is so good. It has no spicy.
But eventually you like spice.
Eventually I hate spicy.
It's
I said spices.
Hello, guys.
I only said spices, not spicy.
What is that spices?
Spices is just tomato paste.
Opo. Okay ito yung kinakain mo. Pag mukbang gano'n, pinapakita yung pagkain.
Ganito. Ganito.
Yes, it's good.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Ay,
Very yummy.
sabi mga nanonood dyan sa kay Kuya, yung mukbang ni Kuya, ito, hindi, anong classic mukbang na yan? Hindi lang pinapakita niya.
Okay lang yun. Kanya-kanya. Mamaya, ano naman, bukas naman tayo, yung waffle.
Ako na. Ako naman. Ako na lang.
Pwede na natin lagay yung pepperoni dun sa waffle. Tapos nalagyan na lang ng buong cheese.
Mami, di ba natin nakaka-try ng waffle sa egg?
Hindi pwede, mabuto, mahuhulog lang yun.
Wow.
Luto na yung egg pag nilagay mo.
Luto.
Egg waffle? May egg na nga yun eh.
Mm.
Dapat yung cheese, hot dog, ham,
This is the last slice of my first pizza.
pepperoni, ano pa, peanut butter, yung mga palaman pwede.
Blueberries too?
Yes.
Strawberry.
Hmm?
Grapes?
Pizza pwede.
Banana.
Pwede pizza.
Sa grapes?
Ano?
Pwede pizza sa grapes?
Okay.
Pwede.
Fruit pizza.
Fruit pizza, hindi pa natin yan
The fruit pizza is just watermelon, strawberry, and blueberry.
No! And
Chocolate pwede. Chocolate chip.
chocolate chips? What does that mean?
Yun yung binili ni Papa. Sige, tatry natin.
Crunchy.
Laki mo naman kagat mo na ba yan?
Crunchy and juicy.
Kainin mo lahat. Hindi yan kapraso lang. Titigas yan.
Very crunchy.
Ano pa kakain sa mami? Uy, 11 o'clock na. Ang bilis.
Bakit?
What?
Mga kakak. Asa sa tapunta?
Magsaligo na kayo.
What?
Kain ulit si Kuya. 2:30.
Puzzle!
Heart. It's like heart.
Yeah,
Broken.
it is.
Broken heart. Oh.
Oh.
Yummy.
Yummy, I will eat the
And for
heart.
the second mukbang.
For the second mukbang.
Second piece of Pizza.
Piece of
Ito,
pizza.
toasted.
But it's very, very, very toasted.
But it's
Sunog.
But it's good.
Sunog.
But it's very good.
Yeah.
I added so many oregano leaves.
Dried oregano.
Yes, dried oregano.
May good dyan kay
Yummy.
kuya.
Mm,
Mami, meron din sa akin oregano.
Yummy.
Para
My
healthy.
homemade pizza tasted like the original pizza. Now, Cusinero TV is having a new
Bakit kay kuya
company,
marami?
the Slice and Savor.
Oo. Huwag kang mainggit. Pag wala ka na ubo, hindi ka nang marami tubig. But it's true.
Slice and Savor is our first pizzeria in Amaris, located in Hornbill Street.
You said one. You can repeat it. Oh my.
Ayan, kagatin mo na. Buuin mo na. At ano na.
Cool.
My brother's eating pizza, but it's totally pangit.
Wow!
Ah,
Mwah!
baby ka pa dito ba?
Yeah, that is me. That is me.
That is bad. Very good tasting pizza. My homemade is better than original.
Yum, yum. Yummy.
Totoy pa si Papa.
Huh?
Totoy pa.
Still no water. Last but least, what?
Not the least.
Last but
Lunch and juice, yes.
yum.
And juice.
Pwede.
Kuya.
The
Look at me.
dried oregano is tasty.
Yeah, look at me.
This all.
Oh yeah, you need to sauce that pizza in gravy. You want to try that?
No.
Oh, that's pepperoni.
Yummy. $20.80. 2024 minus 2080. 6 years.
It's 6 years ago. Making this pizza, I continued making pizza. No. I speak Filipino sometimes, and I speak English on all of my videos.
Okay na? Finish?
No.
Ako na. Yes, hindi na inis eh.
Okay.
I need to drink water.
Ayan.
apat yung maliit.
My last water. I rate the pizza at 10 out of 10 because I love the taste.
Yeah, kuya, dapat sabi mo pag everything I ate at the Philippines on my bahay.
Okay, so this, stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye, everyone.
Please subscribe to my channel.